Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I wanted to share this lovely gift I got from my friend Colleen that I met through Sue Me, and we are on a Facebook page together with two other ladies that helped start it, Lisa and Karen, and Colleen came up with the idea as far as I remember, and we all jumped on board to help. Fun page. If you like the channel Sue Me, go to Sue Me's Angels and request to join, and one of us will approve you after you answer a few questions and all that. But it's a fun channel, lots of great stuff, and I've met 3 wonderful new friends through that channel, and what a nice surprise. I've seen some of Colleen's work. She has shown pictures on Sue Me, and just to get one in person is amazing. Just a beautiful thing. So thank you so much, Colleen. And please check out Sue Me. She is one of my favorite channels. I've been watching her since she started a year ago. She shows you how to fix things that you didn't know you could fix, how to care for things. And she has some fun English. Every Wednesday is her Wordy Wednesday, and they're fun. It sounds like, oh, Wordy Wednesday. No, it's fun. It's a lot of fun because she teaches you interesting things about language. And like she said, if you don't like it, don't watch it. But she does have a lot of other content that's a lot of fun. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Colleen. I hope you know how much I appreciate this. I don't have many decorations out this year. It just wasn't possible to get them down with everything going on. But I have this, a beautiful dish with a lid that I bought that's slag glass in oranges and white. And I got that online a few months ago. And I bought some wooden candy corn in 3 different sizes from the booth next to mine. So that gives me 3 amazing Halloween decorations. And this one will go in my bathroom as soon as it's done. I always decorate the master bath, and hopefully I'll have everything done next week, and I'll have a brand new countertop. I've never had a big countertop. It's going to be fabulous, and this will look wonderful on it. Unless I decide to keep it out in the family room for everyone to see. So thank you so much, and I will be back really soon. Bye.